Hello friends, welcome to SDT Abhijit. In today's session, we are learning how to write test cases in Excel sheet. So this is a test case template as you shown in our Excel sheet. There is a test case ID, test objective, and then test description of steps, test data, priority, expected result, actual result, and status. So we are writing on a web page. See, this is a simple login page. It is a practice login page. On this, we are writing test cases in our Excel sheet. So let's start it. So first we need to validate that this logo orange HRM is shown to us visible or not. So test case ID. So write the test case ID. It is test underscore 001. Test objective. What we need to test is a test objective. So test objective is to validate the logo is visible. Description for this steps for that this case are redirect to the web page and then validate the logo is visible. Step data for this test case is first URL www dot orange hr. So priority, as we know, logo is not going to high priority, so we take the priority P3. Expected result is the logo should be visible. So this is the first test case for this logo. Then next our field is a username. So write the test case for this username pc underscore 002. So what we need to validate in this username field. So username field as in requirement there is a given to us. If in the requirement there is a given to us, there is a username edit field should accept only alphabetic characters. So to validate the username username edit field should name field accept only alphabets. So test case this step first step is common for all. Then next step is write alphabets in name edit field. So data for that, then username you take admin. Priority for this field is P2. field should only accept alphabets. So for next test case is for password. If in our requirements there is a requirement for password contains only one special characters, one alphabet and one number. So write this case for it tc underscore 003. The objective for that is to validate the password field only accept alphabets with the special character. Special characters. So the steps for that same like a username edit field only there is a change in second step. Write alphabets with special characters. Characters. This data for this test case is password admin @123. Priority for this test case is P2 and the expected result is the password edit field should accept alphabets with special character. Okay, this is a test case for login field or any of the application. So there is a one another test case for this login button. So write another test case for this login button is pc underscore 004. And this objective for this test case is to validate login button. Login button is enabled only when the data is filled. Description for this that test case is redirect to the web page and steps for this test case is and then I type username or type in username and then password Priority is P2. Sorry, there is one more remaining. And click on login button. The expected result for this test case is the login button is enabled only when only when successful phone data entered. So friend, this is test case for login button. I hope you will all understand. If you are new to the channel, please join us and then we will meet in next session. Till then, goodbye. Take care.